Hello everyone, my name is Ronald and I am from the EFWA team. In this video, I would like to show you how you can use Bamboo. Bamboo is a tool used to ensure you always have constant feedback on the status of your work. Let's take a look. I have created a new user story in Jira for this tutorial. The story is for adding a reset password link under the user's profile picture. If you are a developer, you might be tasked with writing unit tests once you are done with your story. Once your tests are ready, you can push them to the Bitbucket repository. Now, let's head back to the Bamboo website. Click on Run Unit Test, Branches, to look at the current builds. Here is our branch. Bamboo will automatically detect changes and will start running your new unit tests. This is referred to as a branch build. If you want to see your build in more detail, you can click on the branch build number. If all of your tests have passed, you will see a green checkmark being displayed. From this page, you can also go to the Jira user story. Once you have created your pull request, you can see your branch build status displayed on the right side. Lead QAs and product owners can also look at the current status of sprint branches and the master branch. Currently, Bamboo is only able to run unit tests. In the future, we hope to also run integration and functional tests. That's it. If you have any additional questions, please contact me at my email or Dr. Masood Sajadi, the product owner. Thank you.